Are you looking for a powerful and reliable solar floodlight for your project, store or distribution business? Let me introduce to you one of our solar floodlights, the Hans, as we usually call them here. Hey, I'm Steve from Runwin Lighting, a lighting manufacturing company based in China. With over 20 years of experience, we design lighting products especially for B2B buyers who need durable stability and long-term performance. And the Hans is one of our models we are mostly proud of. Let me show you why. The Hans produces 5,400 lumens of brightness, which makes it very practical choice for parking lots, farms, outdoor corridors, and security walls. Whether your customer needs a single light for a backyard or want to install 200 pieces for a commercial compound, this brightness level gets the job done. The light is powered by a 5 volt per 18 voltage monocrystalline solar panel. This type of panel charges efficiently and even when the sun is weak. On a normal day, it needs 6 to 8 hours of sunlight to fully charge, and when it is done, it can run 10 to 12 hours through the night. That is ideal for countries with long nights or projects in remote areas. It has a replaceable LiFePO battery, which is one of the most important features for wholesalers and project owners. This solar floodlight uses a LiFePO 3.2 volts per 15 ampere hour battery, which is already known for long life and safety. But here is the best part. If the battery becomes weak after years of uses, you don't need to replace all the products. You just need to replace the battery. Simple, fast, and low cost. This reduces maintenance costs and increases customer satisfaction. The built-in PR sensor detects movement and boosts brightness when someone walks by. This helps save energy and extend the light hours even more. It is useful for gates, walkway, security, patrol areas, anywhere with movement. This feature adds safety. The Hans is built with strong ABS housing and IP65 waterproof. We offer 3 years warranty, and as a factory we support OEM and bulk orders with fast production. So if you're a distributor, a contractor, or run a lighting brand and you are looking for a strong and stable solar floodlight that you can trust for long-term project, the Hans is a great choice. If you want a price list or samples, leave a comment or contact us, and don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you.